Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn the most important networking commands used in real-world troubleshooting interviews and networking jobs. We will cover ipconfig, ipconfig all, ping, tracert, nslookup, netstat, arp-a, telnet. So let's get started. So first one, ipconfig. The ipconfig command is used to display the IP configuration of your system. It shows IP address, subnet mask, default gateway. This command helps us check whether the system received a proper IP address or not. Next, ipconfig/all. The ipconfig/all command displays detailed network information. It shows MAC address, DNS server, DHCP status, adapter information. This is very useful while troubleshooting internet or DHCP issues. Next important one is ping. The ping command checks connectivity between devices, that is from source to destination. It sends packets to the destination and waits for a reply. If replies are received, the connection is working. If you see request timeout, there may be a network issue. Next, traceRT. The traceRT command traces the path packets travel from source to destination. It shows every router hop between your computer and the destination server. This helps identify where network delays or failures occur. nslookup. The nslookup command is used for DNS lookup. It converts domain names into IP addresses. This command helps check whether DNS is working properly or not. Next, netstat. The netstat command displays active network connection and open ports. It shows listening ports, active connections, connection states. This is useful for troubleshooting applications and checking suspicious connections. Next, arp-a. The arp-a command displays the arp table. It maps IP addresses to MAC addresses. This helps identify devices connected to the network. Next, telnet. The telnet command tests connectivity to a specific port. If the connection succeeds, the port is open. If it fails, the port may be blocked by a firewall or server configuration. These are some of the most important networking commands every beginner should know. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to Uniq Techie. Thanks for watching.